Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a simple way to create a text box in Google Docs on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google Docs application. Then open a document where you want to add a text box. Now tap the pencil icon to edit the document. Then tap where you want to add the text box in your document. After that, tap on the plus icon. Then tap on table. Now set both rows and columns to 1 by tapping the down arrow icon. After that, tap on insert table. Now the text box has been added to your document. Now you can also resize the box to adjust its width and height. Now tap inside the box and type your text and adjust the box to fit the text. And that's how you can create a text box in Google Docs using your mobile. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.